surface form for fabricating provisional FPDs. Alright. Here. Now we come back to pattern resin duralay. Again, what is the chemical composition of this? Chemical composition. It's actually some big thing. It's acrylic, polymethyl methacrylate. The same old thing again. Polymethyl methacrylate, it has some modifications. It sets faster. It has more plastic properties, so it flows and it takes the contour nicely. Alright. So you need to know what is the function of this?
What's that called?
So basically makes the impression of the post space, plus is used for building the core anatomy. Alright. For a casted post and core. This is not a final restoration. Somebody had a doubt that is this not the final restoration? Okay. So yeah, this is not. Then we were shocked that this came as a costume like this. Okay, which it did come as a costume. Fortunately, magic. Where did my costume go? Okay. No. Where's my individual costume? It's coming over there. On the side. Thank you. Okay. So pattern resin. Everybody knows what this is, right? Mm-hmm. What this is and what is it used for? Two things. That's about it. Temporary relining material. You have two things here. Temporary relining material, that is the Bosworth trim plus whatever you want to call it. Chemical composition, polymethyl methacrylate. You had the same thing in level 6. Omar, you came. Very nice. Welcome. Okay. This was used in level 6 also, so you should be knowing what kind of questions I'm going to ask on this. I'm not going to repeat that. However, we have now the new material which we used and we introduced to you guys, the bis acryl material. It's not written in this thing right here. But anyways, this is the bis acryl material, temporizing material, okay, used for provisional crowns. The advantage of this, less free monomer, no exothermic heat, easy to remove, sets very quickly. You saw it sets in about 40 seconds, 30 to 40 seconds. It's kind of set. You can remove it. You can start trimming it in about a minute's time. All right. So it comes with individual shades. Right. Basically easy to use and less trauma for the patient. Next you have temporary. Then you have number 20, addition silicone impression material. Light viscosity. Please read this here. It's written over here. Light bodied consistency, heavy bodied consistency. It's written here very clearly. It's written over here. So please go through the when it shows up. Just write it. What are the properties? What are the advantages? This is why I'm not going to repeat that again. That's in your lecture on impression materials level 6. You need to remember this. Why am I keeping it for level 7? Is because you used it in level 7, and you need to know this for your entire impressions of what you're going to do in level 8, 9 till you finish. It means not course till you finish. Okay, and you stop dentistry. Okay, you need to know this is one impression material which you will be using. All right. Then you have 22 casted post and core. I might just take this out and keep it over there. So this is a casted post and core. Alright? Or a custom post and core also. You can use the word custom post and core. Why? Because when I give you the choices, I might write custom post and core. So don't like is custom, casted, is casted, custom and casted. Same thing. Okay? It is custom made. That's why you made it for this particular shape. Okay? So this is your custom post and core or casted post and core. What are the materials used for this, for fabricating this? You can use nickel chromium, cobalt chromium, any of the base metal alloys are usually used. People have made gold post and cores. I'm not saying no to that. People do. If they want to spend more money on it, they can. The benefit of gold post and core is that when you use the gold post, it's slightly yellow. Your gold is yellowish in color, so it gives a more natural appearance when you want to put an all ceramic crown. Okay, when you want to put an all ceramic crown which has good translucency, you can go for a gold post and core. It is allowed. Paper points. I'm not going to spend too much time talking about paper points. It's paper points, it's pieces of paper. What is it used for? Drying. Exactly, it's used for drying the irrigated canal. Okay. Why is this not going inside? Alright, so paper points are used for the drying of your canals after you do an irrigation. All the best. Oh no, wait, don't go. We have a quiz. What happened? Yeah, I just told you that. Bisacral.
This one?
Yeah, bisacral temperizing material. So now we'll have the quiz. Please sit down. Occupy your seats.